Welcome back, guys, welcome back. We are hitting the trails with the electric off-road beast. Well, they're not off-road beast at all, but we're doing off-roading in the electric cars today. So I'm here with Michael, and he's brought his G-Wiz along, so we're going to find out a bit more about that as well. So we've come down this track just down here, and the first thing I've realised is actually Michael's G-Wiz is actually a lot better equipped for the kind of, you know, trails and stuff than mine is, because your suspension is a lot higher, isn't it?
Yeah, I made a lift spring.
Did you, or is that actually just the standard ride height?
I just removed the batteries the way.
Yeah, all the lead acid batteries. So Michael's actually converted this to, it was an AC version, wasn't it? As with the AC.
No, first one was DC version.
Yeah.
Then I bought AC version, and it's converted with lithium batteries.
Yeah, so you've done a big lithium battery pack in this. What's the amp hour of it?
Yeah, I run in 400 amps at the moment. 400
amp hour?
Yeah, I need to mention I thank you to Felix Goza.
Oh yeah.
He made that batteries.
Yeah, he's going to be, I think, the battery expert, isn't he, at the moment?
He's gonna be battery expert.
Yeah.
He made it on his G-Wiz already over 10,000 miles.
Wow.
Same batteries.
That's good. And what sort of range can you get at your battery then on this one?
Around 150, 160 on full charge.
That's mad. Versus my Twizy at the moment, which has just got the standard like 6 kilowatt hour battery or whatever it is, and I'm like, I've left the house and I'm on 75% already. We've only done about 5 miles.
I'm still 83%.
And you've come from kind of North London way, so he's got a little gauge on the side there, which is pretty cool.
25 miles already.
You've done 25 already?
Yeah.
That was to mine, and then let's have a look inside. So he's done loads of stuff in here, really. So there's one battery, you've got one battery
this is
down
12
here.
volts just for the subwoofer.
Oh right, okay.
I feed the subwoofer.
It's got a sub in it as well.
Other batteries is underneath the seat.
Yeah. So that's not a drive battery, that one?
No, this is only 12 volts for my audio.
And then look, under the seats, you've got, so this is what, is this like 400 amp hour?
Each battery is 105 amp.
105.
5 kilowatts. I got 3 batteries underneath the seats.
Yeah.
1 battery next to the seat, driver's seat.
You just like as many batteries as you can fit in here, basically.
I thinking to get another, maybe 2.
Yeah, you can fit it in there. And this is like 48 volts, the same as mine. You can't see the motor. You can see the motor. See the motor under there. So it's this was kind of one of the first EVs, really, wasn't it?
Yeah.
So yeah, Michael was saying he really likes the G-Wiz just for like running around. I mean, it's basically what I use the Twizy for, just running around to the shops and like all that sort of stuff. And like, as you say, how much does it cost to charge?
About 750.
That's
£8.
£7.50, £8 at the moment. I mean, you could probably get that down if you went on like some sort of split tariff or something.
If you're good neighbours, you can charge it for free.
Yeah, there is that as well. The Tesco's charging points are still free, aren't they? So yeah, there's one there in Hartford.
I never tried.
Have you not tried it? That's free. So you could just leave that for 2 hours.
We go there, charge.
We'll go there and charge up, yeah. So it's a cold morning this morning, which is not going to help the battery charge situation, but we're going to head off down this trail here. There's some wicked kind of woods at the other end of it. I've just really got into this recently, just like hammering the Twizy around the kind of off-road side of things. I've got some plans for it to sort of make it a bit better, to just sort the suspension out really, because it's a little bit hard for this sort of surface, but obviously, you know, got the light bar on there as well. But yeah, let's go for a little rip.
Nice and muddy.
There you go, that's pretty cool. Look, you can just park straight opposite like that. Oh, that was fun, wasn't it? That was pretty. Oh, I should change my tyres. That was a pretty good laugh. Yeah, at one point, like you said, you went over that bump. I literally felt the back of this go, like, just leave the ground. It was on that little, on that bridge, wasn't it? Yeah. The back went completely up in the air. Right, coffee time. Right, just heading back. There's another little byway which we're going to check out on the way. Michael's behind me. This is where that massive bump is. I've got Michael on the radio as well here. This is where that massive bump is. Horses up the heads. Right, I haven't tried this byway yet. I'm not sure what this one's like. Looks like a quad's been down here. Oh, it's fine. It's absolutely fine. Yeah, I think we've got a bit of a problem. Oh, well, look, at least now I could change the indicator. That's an easy way to get to the indicators, to swap them for clear ones.
Yeah, don't take me.
It's Michael's going for a piss. I'm in the G-Wiz now. It's actually really smooth, this. Like, the suspension is actually a lot more soft than the Twizy. And it has still got some poke. It really has. It's brilliant, that. It's really smooth. It feels really smooth, like the throttle feels really smooth. The suspension's quite, like, you know, good for this surface, isn't it?
Yeah.
Right, we've had our fun. We're going to head back now. It's been wicked, isn't it, Mike? It's been good.
Yeah. Need to come sometime in November, December when it's more muddy.
Yeah, I think I need to get like a lift kit or something on mine, because it's just, look at the state of it. It's too low for this. I've almost, like, obviously ripped the bumper off now. We'll have to do something. What do you reckon? We maybe just raise the suspension up.
Need to raise it or bigger, tiny and bigger wheels.
Yeah, bigger wheels. I think that's what needs to happen. I think that's what needs to happen. Right, guys, catch you next time.